The Car Junkie here. Welcome back to another one. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we're going to be talking about car accessories under $200. When you're on a budget, this is the video to watch. So this is not just pertaining to the Honda CR-V that we have back here, but to any type of vehicle, which I find is going to be useful to all of you. Let's get started. So the first thing that I changed out were the headlights. I actually put in LED headlights. I'm going to put the description below as to which ones these are. I'm going to have a link below the video as well where you guys can find this. These are two sets. There's the running lights and then there's the high beams. I would highly recommend this for your vehicle, especially if you have those dull yellow hued typed headlights. When you put these ones on, I mean, I got full sun right now on me and on the vehicle behind me, but trust me when I say it really makes a difference at night, and they're awesome in the snow, if you guys have snow where you guys are. So that was the first upgrade that I did that I'm really pleased with. Follow me, I'll show you what's next. So the next things that I upgraded were the interior dome lights. These, I hope they really show clear enough, are also LED, super white, super bright. I have them here, I have them in the back, and I have them in the trunk. I'm also going to place a link for these below. They're off of Amazon. You can get like a whole pack of them. I highly recommend, if you guys don't have this by factory or by default in your car, to switch these out. It looks clean. Let's go to the back of the car. I'll show you how that one looks in the trunk. Alright guys, so if you are changing out all the LED lights in the interior of your car, don't forget your trunk. So there's one right over here and there's one on the other side. It really brightens up the trunk area as well, with the bright white versus the yellow hued bulbs that usually come with the vehicle. If your car already is equipped with this brighter white bulb, double check to see if the LED would be a brighter option for you, but this was definitely brighter than the yellow bulbs that I had in there, so well worth it. Let's get on to the next accessory, shall we? Hey guys, so were you able to see me through the window? I really hope not. These windows are tinted 15%, both driver's side and passenger side. I would highly recommend you doing this to your vehicle if you haven't already done so. The best part is it looks good on all cars, any color. It just kind of gives a nice flow from the front window to the back window, from the back to the front. I went a little darker at 15% because we have the big front windshield, which brings in a lot more light into the front cabin area. So it was recommended to me by the professionals, as well as my thoughts. It all made sense to go a slight bit darker here versus at the back, which just looks good. See how dark you can legally go, but here in Ontario, Canada, we're good with 15% tint here. Now, since we're on this side of the vehicle, I'm going to talk about the next accessory that I put on. Probably already see it. It's these rain deflectors. The one that I have here on my Honda CR-V is from Honda itself. I did the installation myself. It was pretty easy. You can go online and check out how to do that, but I'd highly recommend trying it on your own. It is not hard whatsoever. It's a mixture of 3M tape and brackets that you can actually install, and then little mini screws that you can actually put in. No drilling required into the body, into the car. I think it just looks good. Now, if you guys are wondering what is the purpose for these, well, there are two purposes. First purpose is that you can actually keep a crack of your window down while it's raining. You don't have to worry about rain coming into your vehicle. It just looks good. I just love the look of it. So let's move on to the next one. This is the last accessory that I'm going to be talking about today. The last one that I have on the vehicle, and that is the bug deflector or hood deflector, whatever you want to call it really. I've heard both, bug deflector, hood deflector. I think those are the two terms. This one is also from Honda. Again, this is really good for two reasons. The first reason is it actually prevents rock chips onto your hood. It will hit the deflector rather than hit your hood and chip the paint. That is the main purpose. The second purpose is, well, just the looks. It adds a bit of maybe some sleekness to it. Depends on your personal taste and liking. They are available for all makes and models. I haven't seen any for Jeep, but I like it. And so this is another thing that I did purchase from Honda. I installed it myself actually. So pretty easy. There are brackets that actually go in pre-drilled holes under the hood. So Honda already has these holes under the hood, and all you have to do is you put the brackets in those holes, and then you screw on the deflector onto those brackets that you already mounted on from the inside of your hood. So you don't have to put in any new holes, and no drilling required. And then that is pretty much it. The last brackets on either side have 3M tape just for support, but the rest of them are all bracketed in from under the hood, and it's on good. That is what I wanted to share with you guys today. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Let me know what your favorite mod is. Wanted you guys to see what you could purchase for that price bracket. What I would highly recommend you to purchase if you are looking to purchase something or do your first add-ons on your vehicle, I would highly recommend starting off with these. If you need to watch this video again just to see what we talked about, all the accessories, by all means you can do that, and just comment below. Let me know what your favorite accessory was, and if you guys have any of these for your vehicles and what vehicles they are. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm planning on doing a second segment or a second part of this segment where we're going to be talking about accessories 500 and above for your Honda CR-V and what I would recommend for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one. Take care, and we'll see you soon.